Hi, this is Rakesh Roy, new watching Real Technology. In this video, we will show you how to link your Android phone to your PC or laptop. So, in this video, we will show that one application is already installed in your laptop or desktop. So, we will use that application. So, let's start. First, click on a start menu and search phone link. So as you can see, I am using Windows 10 and this application is already installed on your laptop. So we will use this application. So let's move to your mobile and open a Play Store and download the application phone link. It is available on your Play Store. So it is downloading now. Once done, we will start the configuration. Now it is installing. Okay, so it's done. Just click on open. It may take some time here. Now click on this first option and log in, and after that scan the QR code that is available on your desktop. So just click here and sign in with your Microsoft ID on your laptop or desktop. Now scan this QR code using your mobile. Now we have to enter a code here that is showing on your laptop or desktop. Let's enter this code, then continue. Okay, so there is a mistake, we have to enter it again. Okay, it is done now. It may take some time here. Again, we have to log in with our Microsoft ID on our mobile. Then allow all the services so that this application can access your device. Then click on done. Now if you see on your laptop, it is showing that you are all set. Now we can continue this application. Okay, so the setup is almost done. As it is done now, all the messages are showing here and few other options are here. If you see, we can access our gallery and our phone settings also. It may take some time for synchronization. We can see the wallpaper, network, battery, all the options are available here, and you can add multiple devices also if you have. It is taking some time for synchronization. It may send notification on your mobile, so you have to allow that. Without permission, this device is not going to sync here properly. Okay, few details are showing here. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. If you need a detailed video, comment below.